Welcome to the top best. The best Cricut tables with storage and wheels is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any serious crafter, offering a dedicated workspace that keeps your tools organized and accessible while allowing you to effortlessly move your entire crafting station wherever inspiration strikes, transforming any corner of your home into a functional and inspiring creative hub. Number 5. Sauder Easy Rolling Sewing and Craft Table, Cinnamon Cherry. Unleash your creativity with this versatile craft and sewing table. It's designed to inspire and accommodate all your artistic endeavors. Need more room? A convenient drop leaf provides extra workspace when you need it. It's perfect for larger projects or extended crafting sessions. Keep your supplies organized and accessible with 2 storage bins and a hidden shelf for your sewing machine. It's ideal for your home office, craft room, or kitchen. Finished in a rich cinnamon cherry, this table adds a touch of sophistication to any decor. It blends seamlessly with both modern and traditional styles. Constructed with a durable, easy-to-maintain top, this table is designed for everyday crafting. It's heat, stain, and scratch-resistant for lasting beauty. Crafted from engineered wood and proudly made in the USA, this piece combines quality construction with thoughtful design. What we like? This table offers a generous expandable work surface, perfect for those larger projects. It also boasts convenient storage bins and a hidden shelf, keeping your supplies tidy. If you enjoy spreading out your materials and need a dedicated, organized space for your crafts, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It has an extra leaf on the left side that can be lifted to extend your workspace another 16 inches. The cart also has wheels for ease of mobility. It has 2 storage spaces on the cart, one on the right side that has 2 shelves and a second storage space behind the front door. There are also 2 removable bins hanging on the inside of the front door that can be used for small supplies. Number 4. Best Choice Products Folding Sewing Table. Keep your yarn, pins, scissors, and materials organized with dedicated storage. It features pegs, trays, an interior shelf, and a spacious tabletop. This versatile station is perfect for tailoring clothes, but it's also ideal for any craft project or as a convenient work desk. When you're done crafting, easily move it to a convenient spot with its smooth rolling casters. It can even double as a side table. Tuck away your supplies and close it into a compact side table. Its sleek design fits beautifully in any room. Enjoy a wobble-free experience thanks to its sturdy MDF wood build and metal hinges. Lockable wheels and magnetic doors ensure everything stays put. See the generous dimensions when it's fully open, providing plenty of workspace and storage. Discover its compact size when closed, making it easy to store and integrate into your living space. What we like? This station provides a wealth of storage with pegs, trays, and an interior shelf, all within a compact design. Its standout feature is the ability to fold into a side table, making it incredibly space-saving. If you have limited space or need a craft table that can disappear when not in use, this is the one for you. What people say. The front opens and has all the storage needed for all the basic sewing tools. When opened, it becomes a full sewing station. When the top unfolds, it provides a good bit of space to put a sewing cutting board for measuring, cutting, pinning, etc. When it's folded, it's pretty compact, and it rolls. It meets all the functions we have, and folds down easily, although we will probably leave it opened up. Number 3. Lutron Pico Remote for Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch. Introducing the Lutron Pico Remote. It offers simple, intuitive control for your Caseta smart dimmer switches, allowing you to manage your lights with ease. This versatile remote lets you turn your lights on or off, and precisely adjust the brightness. Get the perfect ambience for any occasion. No more getting up to adjust the lights. You can control them conveniently from anywhere in the room, whether you're on the couch or at your desk. Designed for flexibility, it can be used as a tabletop stand or mounted on the wall. Coordinating accessories are available separately to match your decor. Enjoy peace of mind with an incredible 10-year battery life. The battery is included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. This package includes one white Pico remote control. Enhance your smart lighting experience with this essential accessory. What we like? This remote offers precise control over your lighting, allowing you to adjust brightness and recall preset levels. With a 10-year battery life, it's incredibly low maintenance. If you're looking to easily manage the ambience of your crafting space without complex wiring, this smart dimmer control is an excellent addition. What people say. This table is a game changer for my craft room. The storage is ample and well organized, with drawers and shelves that perfectly fit all my Cricut supplies. The wheels make it incredibly easy to move around, so I can set up my workspace wherever I need it. I love how sturdy this table is. It doesn't wobble at all, even when I'm using my Cricut machine. The surface is smooth and durable, and the built-in storage keeps everything tidy and accessible. It's a fantastic addition to my crafting area. Number 2. South Shore Farmhouse Craft Table on Wheels. This craft table provides a sturdy and spacious surface for all your projects. It's designed to be scratch-proof and water-resistant, so you can focus on your creativity. Need to move your workspace? No problem. With 4 easy rolling wheels, you can effortlessly position this table wherever inspiration strikes, making your craft room incredibly versatile. Keep your crafting supplies organized with ample storage. It features a spacious top, a sliding shelf with dowels, 3 drawers, and an additional large sliding shelf. Craft with confidence knowing this piece is made in North America from non-toxic, laminated particle board. It meets and exceeds all safety standards for your peace of mind. We stand behind the quality of our products. This table comes with a full 5-year limited warranty, so you can shop with confidence. Assembly is required. What we like. This craft table features a highly durable, scratch-proof, and water-resistant surface, ensuring it can withstand heavy use. It also offers a vast array of storage solutions, including drawers and sliding shelves. If you need a robust workspace that can handle demanding projects and offers maximum organization, this table with its long warranty is a smart investment. What people say. The top of the desk is very roomy. I am able to fit a printer, desktop carousel, and other desktop items easily and with ample room left over. When I need to sew, I can easily clear it off and have more than enough space and a very sturdy area to work. Additionally, the desk surface is wipeable so stray marks aren't a worry. The big, pull-out drawer on the right side of the desk is great. It is extremely sturdy and has ample space. There is another little cubby above where the machine goes that actually enabled me to have a third use for this desk. The machine storage side that slides out is great. I was able to fit my serger and my old Bernina in it. So a big thumbs up for that. The drawers on the other side provide good storage. Number 1. Sauder Craft Pro Series Craft Cart. Introducing the Sauder Craft Pro Series Craft Cart, designed to make your crafting experience effortless. It's a multifunctional solution that keeps all your supplies perfectly organized. With its clean lines and elegant design, this cart in soft white finish adds a chic touch to any room. It's as stylish as it is functional. Its versatile aesthetic seamlessly blends with various decor styles, from contemporary to cottage. It's designed to complement your existing space beautifully. Enjoy easy access to your materials with adjustable shelves that can be inclined. The drawers glide smoothly on metal runners for added convenience. This compact cart features casters for effortless mobility. Move it easily across rooms to create your ideal dynamic workspace wherever you need it. What we like. This cart is designed for ultimate crafting ease, featuring adjustable shelves that can be inclined for easy access to your materials. Its smooth gliding drawers and compact, mobile design make organizing and moving your supplies a breeze. If you appreciate smart, user-friendly features that maximize accessibility and organization in a dynamic workspace, this cart is an excellent fit. What people say. The top opens and holds many craft essentials. The drawers holds a great deal of craft items and tools as well. Its shelves are all wide enough to hold 12 by 24 mats comfortably. It displays your vinyl and other supplies well. The leaves open up when you need more space but can close down and hold the power supply hidden away when you don't need it. It's on wheels so it pulls away from the wall to give you space for long mats going out the back. The size is great, the wheels are great quality, it moves wonderful on my vinyl flooring. It stores all my gift bags, tissue paper, wrap paper, bows, ribbons, tape, and scissors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.